Hello my beautiful friends, today, we'll learn about the verb to rent. If you decide to take a trip to Italy, this verb will be very useful, because you may need to rent several different things. I'm sure that by the end of this video, you'll agree with me. Let's go. Just to sum up a bit about the present indicative. The present simple shows an action that happened now, and habit, a fact valid now and forever. The verb to rent belongs the first conjugation. The verb to rent in Italian is
affittare.
Let's look at the present tense.
Io affitto un appartamento.
This is a great solution if you want to spend some time at your own pace and also save some money.
Tu affitti una automobile.
That's definitely convenient if you want to visit several places. And now the third singular person. Grammatically speaking it is
Egli, ella affitta un motorino.
Here, the colloquial form.
Lui, lei affitta un motorino.
What a great idea! This is an easy way to get around at the beach, especially during the summer. It, in Italian language, is
Esso.
In the spoken language, the third singular persons is
Lui, lei.
Now, let's continue with the plural persons of this conjugation.
Noi affittiamo un ombrellone.
In Italy, you often find private beaches. If you want a beach umbrella, a beach chair, or a lounge chair, you can rent them.
Voi affittate gli sci.
Do you want to go skiing? You don't have to bring skis with you, just rent them.
Essi, esse affittano un abito da sera. Loro affittano un abito da sera.
Are you planning an elegant evening out? You'll need a special outfit. Also the third person plural, that in Italian is the following.
Essi, esse.
In the spoken languages.
Loro.
You're pretty much ready for anything. Now, video tutorial is over. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon.
Il video tutorial è terminato. Iscrivetevi al canale e ci vediamo presto. Ciao!